In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Printify step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, scroll down and click on Settings located in the bottom left corner. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to install tools and integrations that expand your store's functionality. Now click on Shopify App Store to open the marketplace of available Shopify apps. Inside the App Store search bar, type Printify and select the Printify app from the search results. Click Install to begin connecting Printify to your Shopify store. Shopify will ask you to confirm permissions for the integration. Click Install again to approve access. After installation, you will be redirected to Printify, where you can either log into your existing Printify account or create a new one. Once connected, you can start browsing Printify's catalog of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more. Choose a product, upload your design, customize colors and variants, then click Publish to send the product directly to your Shopify store. Your products will automatically appear inside the Products section of your Shopify dashboard, where you can edit descriptions, pricing, and product details. Whenever a customer places an order, Printify handles the printing, packaging, and shipping automatically, making it a powerful print-on-demand solution for Shopify sellers. Before launching your products, preview them carefully and order samples if possible to check print quality and customer experience. Thanks for watching.